are you?
Good, yourself?
Yes, the guy is over
The black hoodie?
Yes, the black hoodie.
Okay.
He came in like twice already. We turned down the check, a different check, two different checks. And then he came in again. This is his third time coming in. He said he worked for the company. This is completely a copy of, it's a copy. I don't know how to really explain it.
Alright. I'm just waiting for the investigating officer to get here.
Okay.
Good. Sharpie?
Yes, right.
Everything on this up to date?
Yes, sir.
Where? Do you have a notepad on it?
Oh, yes, sir.
What's your phone number?
Yes.
You stay in Port St. Lucie?
Yes.
Maybe there's an appointment today.
I'm just coming from by my boss to get this check.
Okay. So you picked up this check today from
Yeah.
your boss? Okay. Where do you work at?
We do AC work, we do HVAC, and we doing a whole system for that.
Okay. So where did you meet your boss today?
I met him by the Publix.
Publix on...
It was, I use GPS, but I don't know around here.
Okay.
But he told me to meet him at the Publix.
So you do AC work for...
Yes, we did. I do AC work for JB. For JB HVAC.
Okay.
And we did the whole system. I have 4 guys with me, and he told me to come pick up the check, and that's all I did.
Okay, what's your boss over there?
Javon?
How you spell
Javon.
that? What's his last name?
I don't know his last name.
You know his last name and your phone number from?
Yeah, 401-855.
Alpha 1, I'm sorry.
Hi. Hello. How are you? You okay?
Yeah, this always happens to me.
Okay. So, what's going
This is
on?
his third time here. I
Oh,
can
really?
show you in the system that
No, it's
he
okay.
came in like twice already. We turned down the checks, the flat checks, and then this is his third time. He came in and said, okay, he works for this company, this is his paycheck. Obviously, it looks like a copy. So I immediately went and I call you guys because this is his third time trying this.
Okay, so did he try to give it to you, or what did he do?
No, he gave me the check. He came in, gave me his ID, the check, and then he says he want to cash it. This is payroll check. And
Okay.
I told him to wait. I have to send it over to my verification team so they can approve the check for me, and then I just call it you guys.
So this is literally what he handed you?
Yeah.
Alpha 2.
Okay.
I'm reading notes.
and
It
that's the
appears this
gentleman right
happened an
there?
hour ago, so you can just
And do you guys want to
14
prosecute, or do you just want me to document it, or?
She found an hour ago, but came
I
back.
mean, it's up to you guys.
Well, I mean, I want to prosecute. I want to do that because this is his third time trying.
So are you prosecuting on behalf of
I
Check
understand
Cashing
that, but all
USA?
these entries
Is
say
it, are you the owner?
1217
No, I'm not
for
doing
that.
it.
I can
Do you
still
want to
advise.
contact the owner
Um,
and see what they say? Because it's Check Cashing USA that would be the victim. So you have to confirm with them if they even want to prosecute, if they just want us to document everything, which we can.
right.
So you could take this, get all his info, trespass him from here,
Yes,
all that. Yeah. So I mean, I would rather you contact the owner and
Yeah,
see.
they have to give the.
Yeah, they have to give the okay. I mean, you guys didn't suffer a loss, so
Yeah.
you know it's.
She's just scared that he'll try to come back.
No, we'll trespass him. And if he's trespassed, if he does return, he'll be subject to arrest immediately. So that's the kind of the plus. Like, since we're here, we could trespass him. So we'll just see. But I mean, if you're not the owner, you should. They're the ones that make the final decision.
Yeah. Right. They have to be the ones to say yes or no.
I mean, we have this. We have. I mean, the business did not suffer a loss.
No. No. And I know it was just the fear that he may come back, but like you said, he's trespassed off the
Yeah,
property.
he's
If
trespassed.
we even see him, we call.
Exactly.
Done.
Even if he's like in the parking lot, like you call. I thought you guys had it that you buzzed everybody in.
Only back here.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought. Okay.
Yeah. Only back here.
All right, give me 1 second, okay? I'll be right back.
Thank you.
So what happened? We trying to check his face?
The calls about something.
I'm not, because I'm like, I change check you all the time. Oh, well, I'm not here, but from the same guy.
I mean, I don't really deal a lot with checks, so I don't know how to tell if it's fake or not. So, but this also,
I'm just trying to figure out what's
Yeah.
going on.
yeah, they call it because they think it's a forged check. So,
Yeah, for 14 years.
No, we've just been doing this phone bill. I didn't put it on speaker. Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I just wanted to confirm. This is the owner. You're the owner of this Check Cashing USA?
I'm not the owner, but I'm the director of operations.
Director of operations.
Yeah, I have every authority to talk to you.
Okay, no
I
problem.
deal with everything related to the police.
Oh, okay. Okay, so in reference to the incident today here at Check Cashing, does Check Cashing USA want to prosecute?
Yes, absolutely. This is the third time he's tried to do this. One day he's going to run into a teller who's not as smart as Gina and is going to cash it, and then I'm going to be out $4,000. Plus, he's stealing information from people.
Okay. And I just... All right, thank you so much.
Thank you, hon. Have a great day. Be safe.
Thanks. If
Bye-bye.
that's... I guess we have your number just in case, right?
Number is.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, no problem. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye. Yeah, I started getting her statement, but we stopped so she could call the director, so I just need to grab her, her statement.
This is your current address?
No, talk to me.
Just take a breath, Mama. Just take a breath.
It's okay.
It's always happened to me
You're
for some
okay.
reason.
Hey, he didn't threaten you. He didn't have, like, you're okay.
My first day here, she had to call.
So the other 2 times he came, did you guys call or no?
No, we didn't call.
You just told him no when he left?
Yes.
I check you might put the phone down for me.
Yeah, but for what? What's the reason?
Can't call me back. Turn around.
Yeah, but you're not even telling me what's wrong. You don't need to put no push on me. I'm not doing no wrong. Can you tell me what's going on here?
You're now even placed under arrest for fraud.
Yeah, but how? And I just got the check.
Check fraud.
I just got it. I have proof of the work I did and everything.
card, so they had to give you a real check.
I have proof of everything, of all the work I did and stuff.
This is a fake check, brother. I mean, it's a photocopy of a check.
No, but I have proof that the guy gave it to me, you know what I mean?
You have proof that he gave you a photo?
No, I have proof that the guy gave me the check.
A fake
It's a
check.
photocopy, it's not a check.
But he gave it to me for the work that I did. I don't know how he made it, how he got it, whatever. Or it's a fake check or it's a real check.
The funny part about this is, the more you keep talking, the more you kind of get it.
No, but I'm telling you the truth. I don't know, you know what I mean? You're trying to tell me it's a fake check. How am I supposed to know it's a fake check?
Looking at it,
Feel it. That's not.
Feel it,
piece of
look at
paper,
it.
dude.
Yeah, but he gave it to me. That's what he gave
If he
to
gave
me.
you a Monopoly money, you're gonna go buy something at the gas station with it?
No,
That's what you
no.
just did.
That's kind of what you did here.
But he gave me checks like that before.
And
Can I use my phone, please?
No.
did you wind up in handcuffs before?
No, I always take it.
And you got lucky
hands
all the
down.
other checks.
But,
This one's
Keep your
definitely
hands
no
down.
good. You're under arrest.
but
I
I
was
never.
honestly
Yeah,
start
yeah.
being a bit more honest, but it's okay.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, I never.
Yeah, put that down or anything.
I'll find him down.
This card here.
This way. Up and over. Go ahead and lean against the car for me. I was gonna put gloves on real quick.
Yeah, you guys supposed to let me call the guy or whatever to let him handle this. What you guys arresting me for?
Passed a check. You're the one that came here and passed a check, bro.
Yeah, but he gave it to me. You know what I mean? Like I didn't want to.
I understand, but you're the one that came here and passed a check. Literally a piece of paper.
Yeah, but he gave it to me.
Do you know what a real check looks like?
Yes, but listen, he gave me checks like that before and I
All
canceled
right,
the
sir.
bank with no problem.
You got anything on you I need to know about?
No, sir.
No one's gonna put me stab me.
No, sir.
No guns, knives, drugs,
No,
bombs,
sir.
nothing like that.
No, sir. I don't think anything in my pocket. Can I get a phone call so my girl can come meet me at the station, please?
Not right
To
now.
collect my car. I don't have any problems as long as I unlock it.
Showing
Sorry
those
about
to the
My garage.
So,
Lean back for me.
yo, wait, let me talk to him, sir.
You can talk after you lean back. Lean back. Go ahead, ask your question.
Noise trespass from here, from the property.
So additionally, you're also going to be trespassed from here as well. Okay? Do you understand that?
My girl is.
Do you
gonna-
understand that?
Okay, I got you.
Yes or no? You understand
Yes,
that?
I understand
Okay.
that. I just want to take my phone and my keys. My girl is coming to get it from the station. She's on her way there now.
To get what?
My keys and my
Well,
phone.
we might take the car. We don't know yet. We're still figuring it out.
Well, my girl is on the way to coming to get it.
She can be on her way. That's fine.
My car is straight. It's legal. I have insurance and everything. So why you want to take my car? I didn't do anything wrong. I have proof of the check.
Do you understand about the trespass warning?
Yes,
Can't come
ma'am.
back. Okay. If you do come back, you're subject to arrest. Okay?
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, but can I get my phone, please, so I can call my girl?
No, I didn't. Hopefully, body cam can see in there. If not, I'm honestly gonna just.
They're all the
see-
same.
Yeah,
They're actually all the same.
they look the same. He's probably just gonna hit different check cashing stores.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna take a picture on my phone. There we go. Just in case it couldn't get captured in the BWC.
Yeah, so it'll be like
Uttering forged checks.
forged instruments. I mean, I've never seen one like that.
Yeah,
Where it's
that's
like,
a lot
it
of money.
looks, well, no, where it's just
Well, number
like
one, it's a lot of money. Number two, like that's probably one of the. I worked at Publix for 3 years, and I saw some pretty good forged checks. That doesn't even make the top 100.
So, the uttering forged instrument, whoever utters and publishes a true, false, forged, or altered.
See,
So it's a felony.
yeah, I knew
I don't
it was.
even-
I knew it was gonna be found. I just didn't know if the degree was depending on the amount.
I don't think there's an amount thing here.
It's like because I'm thinking along the same lines of like petty theft or just
Right.
theft in general.
Yeah, but
Where-
fraud doesn't work like that unless you're in like the hundreds of thousands. Like it doesn't.
Well, if you add those together, it's possible to hit
That's all
100.
the same truck.
If he's got 5 of them, what was it? 12, 8, 47.
Car's coming back registered in New York. They verify that. Right.
Including that one, it's like $77,000.
From that tag.
My memory's good enough, and I did the math correctly.
Yeah, but here it says it doesn't have an amount for uttering forged.
And that could be it. It could be related to that.
He entered a guilty plea for uttering a forged check and was sentenced to 60 days in jail and 3 years probation.